Hello. Just now I took the petrol, so I will tell you. So I've taken in Emarat petrol pump, which is 50 dirham. Round figure. Quantity came like 23 liters, and unit price is 2.17 dirham. If you calculate in dirham to dollar, so $1 is 3.7. So you can convert it, how much it comes in your currency. So if it is, suppose Bangladesh, then 1 dirham equal to 22 taka. And if it is India, 1 dirham equal to 20 or 19 rupee. Just for an information, I thought like let me also explain you how our petrol in Dubai it works. Today I am going to a nice place. So be with me. Before that, I would like to ask you, how is my lipstick color? Is this nice? Because this is, I always love this color, and recently I bought this color. Is it nice? I love this color. It's little magenta, but it's darker pink. So be with me where I'm taking you. Keep watching. Enjoy with me. Let's enjoy together. And let me know where do you want to go actually, because if you write in the comment section, I will take you around there. This is Karak tea from the cafe, and also they sell masala tea. So I just love it. It's right now very hot. So cheers. Have tea with me when you watch my videos. So now I reached to Ahli Horse Riding Club, where you will be getting to know horse riding classes for kids, for adults. I'm excited to see the horse because I love animal. I hope you will love also. So it's a 6 levels.
Yeah, we have 6 levels. Each level will take 50 lessons. 50 lessons will teach from beginner to up. For maximum, if you will take it, we not said you take it the 50 lesson full batch in one time.
So 6 levels is a 50 lesson.
Yeah.
How many months?
You take 6 lessons and you renewal again 6 lessons. This one 6 lessons will be for 1 month. Because sometimes maybe you will say they will come only 1 time in the week or 2 times in the week, like this. And otherwise you can take 12 lessons. 12 lessons will be for 2 months.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So how long this 6 level finish?
6 level, maybe for 6 days will be finished. By 6 days you can finish, but we will not give you the full learn for riding. No.
Oh.
Yeah.
So is there any age?
Yeah. We take it from 6 years. We take it.
Till no
Yeah.
limit. Oh, okay. So how much is it charging?
For 6 lesson will be 540.
540 is a 6 lesson.
Yeah, and for 12 lesson will be 900. That one for kids. 12 will be 6 lesson by 600, and for 12 lesson will be 1140.
Do you have any problem? So this is the price.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Yeah. And we have this group. I told you We start from level. First level will be red. Second level yellow. Third level will be green.
Oh, that's nice. Colors.
Yeah. The fourth will be blue.
Okay.
The black and the white. We will start green, jumping from green. A small ball like this. For green, for jumping from third level. First level will be like this. And red, we'll teach them the basic right. And yellow, we'll teach them this. We'll go fast counter. Then we'll start with green for jumping. And the blue will make little high.
The last level is the 6th level.
Yeah.
Advanced. Oh, so how long normally a person takes? So depend on how somebody is improving, how far, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? Oh, he's scared. Hi. Hello. I thought I'll touch you.
You're a little afraid from him, but when you touch him, it's okay.
Can you call?
Call him like this.
Oh.
You don't.
Small, huh?
Also,
Hello.
when you
Oh.
come here, first touch him from the head.
Yeah, that's what I did. Hello. 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 How are you? Come here. Come here. Oops. Hello. You don't want to come. This is baby. This is a baby horse. Baby horse. Right? This is a baby horse. If you want to learn the horse riding and do the classes, then please check out the description. You can contact them. I will put the contact number of them. You can call them and get the details. I hope you like the horses here. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe. I love you. So, हाँ जरूर डालूंगी